Welcome back to Brushes and Blades, and today we're going to do a kit bash. We're going to kit bash this Space Marines Chaplain and Terminator armor into a Grey Knight. I'm excited here. We're already ready down here on the paint cam, so let's get down to it. All right, so I guess you can technically call this an unboxing too. I haven't opened this box yet. All I've done is take the plastic off. So let's see what we're working with here. All right, that's nothing else in the box. Instructions, base. So let's take a look at the sprue that we got here. Let's see what we're working with. We got a shield that we're not going to use. Terminator back, body, arms. Pushed little gaps for the shoulders. His weapon. It's a handheld storm bolter that has another side apparently. His buckle. This is the part of the shield. Okay, and then some standard other pieces. And this is the other side of the storm bolter. So I have, as you can see here, a variety of bits already on standby. Kinda just trying to figure out exactly what and how I want to do it. These are all just great bits. I already went through my bit bin. So let's get him. Oh, let's see here. Actually, I just noticed he's standing on like a piece of debris, which I don't really care about. You know what, Ford? I'm not driving you crazy with all this. I'm just gonna pause real quick and cut all this out of the sprue. Be right back. All right. Okay, so I have everything has been cleaned up, all the sprue marks. I've sanded everything down, sub-assembled some things, and put off all the things to the side that I don't plan on using. Oh, and by the way, this is probably the greatest kit batching purchase you will ever make in your life because you won't stab yourself in the thumb. I absolutely love this thing. Where'd my knife go? There it is. It's not going to protect you from like straight pokes because it is just cloth, but it will protect you from cuts. So at least that's half the battle right there. I always put on my thumb because I tend to, like, when I'm cutting, I usually like cut towards my thumb, like I'm holding whatever I'm doing, and I end up cutting my thumb a bunch. Now let me go ahead and take that off because hopefully we're done with that. I'll put it next to my knife for right now. I'm still on the fence about if I want to use the skull helmet or a Grey Knight helmet. I'm gonna figure something out. We might do something crazy. We might do something simple and normal. I don't know yet, but those are both still just right there. I do and have I pre-assembled these. I don't even know how to pronounce this thing. It was like a crux or something. Crux. I'm not quite sure which one of these I'm going to use yet. This one's kind of ultramarine-y, so there we go. That answered that question real quick. And technically these are just eagles, right? But I like this skull. I don't know if I want to kit bash a custom crux or if I want to do something wildly unique. Because technically he doesn't have on his data card. Let me verify myself real quick. There it is. Brotherhood Chaplain, Stormbolter, Rapid Fire 2, and Krokra's Arcam. Words of Power Psychic, he has an aura ability, and that is it. So he legit has, as a Grey Knight, has two weapons, a gun and a hammer. Go ahead and start sub-assembling this guy. Shouldn't be anything too crazy, like let's get his body and his back and all that stuff together. All right, that's going to be it for this kit bash today. I'm actually really stoked with how it came out. I did decide that we put that helmet on the back, so it still looks like he's rocking. He knows he's got that chaplain status, right? He earned his helmet, but he's still rocking his Grey Knight visor and helmet. I like it. Everything came out. This like mace that I came up with using tilt shields, heavily inspired by the mace that they just announced at Adepticon. And then I'm not going to pick it up now, but this black circle that's under here has got a lot of patterns in it. So somehow I'm going to put the same glow when I paint it on his hand that's going on down here somehow. Definitely going to have to paint these separately. He's just on there with some poster putty right now. That's going to be it for this one today. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment, hit the bell, click the buttons, do the things, and I'll see you in the next one, because remember, every stroke of the brush and swing of the blade adds character to your miniature. YouTube thinks you will like this video right here, and if you'd like to subscribe, click this button right here.